So in this box, here it is written the model name, okay, and here are some of the the pros of buying this kind of Corsair VS450 power supply. On this side there is just the name, this side also is the name, and this side is some of the picture of the cables, and the pros are like described here, and yep, all those kind of things are on the back side. If you want to read those, if you want to, then you can pause it and read it. So let's start from the beginning. Here's the Corsair VS450. I also brought it from Amazon, same with the graphics card. So let's unbox it and see. So this is my old power supply that I used previously, and I just removed it from a CPU case. Right now I am removing it because it doesn't have the power to drive my graphics card smoothly, so that's why I bought the Corsair VS450. So it opens from this side, from this side it opens. So here is the warranty guide. Here is some manual safety information. Here's the power supply. Here's some cable. I am worst in this kind of cable management, so hope for the best. Let's bring out the power supply. Okay, so so here is it. Here's the power supply, and what are these? These are the screw. Okay, for the power supply screw. So on these, here it is the thing which will give power to this power supply, and here are many cables. There are various types of cables. I don't know exactly the name. I just know the name of this 24 pin connector, and some of these. Actually I didn't have this much of cables in my old CPU. If I show you here the cables are very much limited, but here as you can see, if I compare these two, here it's like whole lot of things, and here they are very limited. So I don't know how to install it. I'm just going to take to a shop to install that, and that's it for this unboxing. If you like this video, give this video a like, and if you don't like this kind of unboxings and hate power supplies, then give this video a dislike. And for more contents like this, click on the subscribe button, and also click on the bell icon, for I try to make videos like this. Till then, I'm Ronnie, you are watching Trickshot, and I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, be smart, be safe. Bye bye. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.